They lived in a hole in the trunk of a tree with their owl mother. The hole had twigs and leaves and owl feathers in it. It was their house. One night they woke up and their owl mother was gone.
Where's mommy?
Asked Sarah.
Oh my goodness.
Said Percy. I want my mommy, said Bill.
Mommy.
You move your puppet when you talk.
The baby owls thought. All owls think a lot.
I think she's gone hunting,
Said Sarah.
to get us our food.
I want my mommy, said Bill. But their owl mother didn't come. The baby owls came out of their house, and they sat on the tree and waited. A big branch for Sarah, a small branch for Percy, and an old piece of ivy for Bill.
She'll be back.
Said Sarah.
Back soon.
Said Percy. I want my mommy, said Bill. It was dark in the woods and they had to be brave, for things moved all around them.
So bring us mice and things that are nice.
Said Sarah.
I suppose so.
Said Percy.
Move your puppets to the
I
middle.
want my mommy, said Bill.
Mommy.
They sat and they thought. All owls think a lot.
Sit on my branch. I think we should all sit on my branch.
Said Sarah, and they did all three together.
Suppose she got lost.
Said Sarah.
Or fox got her.
Said Percy. I want my mommy, said Bill. And the baby owls closed their owl eyes and wished their owl mother would come. And she came. Soft and silent she flew through the trees to Sarah and Percy and Bill.
Mommy!
They cried, and they flapped and they danced, and they bounced up and down on their branch.
Bounce lang.
Yung gotta dance.
Their owl mother asked, You knew I'd come back. The baby owls thought. All owls think a lot.
I knew it.
Said Sarah.
And I knew it.
Said Percy. I love my mommy, said Bill. The end.
Miss.
My leg! The llama! So dark.
All along the meadow where the cows grazed and the horses ran, there was an old stone. In that wall, part of the barn and the granary, the gentle family of field mice But the farmers had moved away. The barn was abandoned and the granary stood empty.
Louder.
And since winter was not far off, the little mice began to gather corn and nuts and wheat and straw. They all worked day and night, all except Frederick.
Does that corn have a face?
I do work, said Frederick. I gather salaries for the cold dark winter days. And when they saw Frederick
Louder.
staring at the meadow, they said, And now, Frederick, I get a colors. Answered Frederick simply. And when Frederick seemed half asleep, Are you dreaming? They asked reproachfully, but Frederick said, Oh no, I'm gathering wood. So the winter days are long and many, and we'll run out of things to say. The winter days came, and when the first snow fell, the 5 little fields
What the hell?
In the beginning, there was lots to eat, and the mouse told stories of foolish foxes and silly cats. They were a happy
What the hell?
Little by little, they had nibbled out most of the nuts and berries. The straw was gone in the corner, only a memory. It was cold in the wall, and no one felt like checking it.
Gloria.
Then they remembered what Frederick had said about sun rays and colors and
Baca buku, curang.
close your eyes. And climb on the base stone. Now I send you the rays of the sun. And do you feel how their golden glow? And the legend spoke of the sun, and four little mice began to feel what Frederick's voice was
Bangun.
magic.
Never. Nanti kena kepala itu.
And how they asked existing.
Bugs.
Close your eyes again, Frederick said, and when he told them of the future universe, they went at the green leaves of the bush. They saw the colors and experiences as if they had been painted in their mind. From the stage, he said,
Electro-fat.
Louder.
One is the spring mouse who turns on the showers. Then comes the summer who paints the flowers. The fall mouse is next with walnut and tea. And winter is last with
Bella Cats. Harley, what is that?
the seasons are short.
Bella.
From a year with one line and one moon. When Frederick was finished,
You watch.
Why are you laughing? Frederick was took a bow and said shyly, I know
Thank you.
Done? Start.
Good morning, I'm Bella.
Open the curtain a bit.
Hey, say your name.
Already! We are going to read Little Rabbit's Blue Tooth by Lucy Gate Bate, illustrated by Diane Degros. Little Rabbit had a loose tooth. It was her first loose tooth, and it wiggled a lot. At supper time, Little Rabbit said,
You know I cannot eat carrots and beans. I have a loose tooth. Oi!
God, that's one big carrot.
but Father Rabbit said,
Carrots and beans are very good for a little rabbit.
I hate carrots. I love carrots.
I like carrots.
They are too hard.
said Little Rabbit.
That's one
For
fat
little
rabbit.
rabbits with
Oh,
Said Mother Rabbit.
and what is salt enough for a little rabbit with a loose teeth?
Little Rabbit thought for a while. There were strawberries in the refrigerator.
I eat strawberries.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's okay. Oh my God, there's one big strawberry. Hush now.
strawberry.
She said,
Strawberry.
You can have strawberries for dessert.
said Mother Rabbit.
And you can chew the carrots and beans with your other teeth.
Are you sure?
Said Little Rabbit.
I'm sure.
Said Mother Rabbit.
Are you sure, Daddy?
Asked Little Rabbit.
I'm sure.
Said Little Rabbit. Wait, said Father Rabbit.
I've done it myself.
That was on Monday. On Tuesday, Little Rabbit chewed oranges with her loose tooth and cucumbers with her other teeth. On Wednesday, she chewed watermelon with her loose tooth and lettuce with her other teeth. On Thursday, she chewed vanilla pudding with her loose tooth and cabbage with her other teeth. On Friday, she chewed spinach with her other teeth and chocolate ice cream with her loose tooth. And the loose tooth came right out in the chocolate ice cream.
I have a tooth in my chocolate ice cream.
Said Little Rabbit.
That's wonderful.
Ew. Said Mother Rabbit.
That's a lot of fun.
Said Mother Rabbit.
What should I do with it?
Asked Little Rabbit.
You should take it out of the chocolate ice.
Answered Mother Rabbit. Little Rabbit took the tooth out of the chocolate ice cream.
Where's the ice? I have a window in my mouth.
She said.
I can stick my tongue through it.
That's amazing.
Said Mother Rabbit. Little Rabbit put some chocolate ice cream in the window of her mouth.
What the?
No!
She said.
I have a chocolate tooth in my mouth.
Said Mother Rabbit. Little Rabbit finished her dish of ice cream. Then she licked the chocolate ice cream off the tooth and took it into the sink and put the plug in the sink. She gave it a bath in cold water. Then she dried it with a dish towel and took it back to the table.
Huh? Where? What should I do with my tooth?
She asked.
Whatever you want.
Said Mother Rabbit.
I could throw it away.
Said Little Rabbit.
Or you could put it under your pillow.
What?
Of course, just keep it in hand.
Why
Said
should,
Mother Rabbit.
why should I do that?
Asked Little Rabbit.
When you are done, the two surveyors will take the tooth, leave you a specimen.
Said Mother Rabbit.
Does the tooth fairy get to keep my mouth? Tooth in.
Yes, of course.
Said Mother Rabbit. Little Rabbit put her tongue in the window of her mouth. Then she took her tongue out of the window.
Like what? What if I don't want to? I cannot see it. What if I don't want the tooth fairy to keep my tooth?
She asked.
Then there's no point. Put it under your pillow.
Said Mother Rabbit.
I don't believe the tooth fairy anyway.
Said Little Rabbit.
No. No.
Said Mother Rabbit.
No.
Said Little Rabbit.
There are lots of things you can do with a tooth besides give it to
Little Rabbit took her tooth and went in her room and thought about the things she could do. She could make a hole in it and put a string through it and wear it for a necklace. But then she thought the tooth might break and then she tried to make the hole. She could paste it on a piece of paper and draw stars around it and hang it on her bedroom wall. But then she thought that might look silly. She could put it in her pocket and take it to the candy store and try to buy some candy with it. But then she thought maybe the rabbit who owned the candy store would say that tooth is not a penny. Then Little Rabbit thought she could throw the tooth away, but she did not really want to do that either. Little Rabbit went to the living room, where Mother Rabbit was playing with the flute. Mommy,
Open your curtain. Why?
would give him money.
Little Rabbit said.
Oh, I see. It should be like this. Said Father Rabbit. And what do you think it means? I think she will save my tooth and give it to a baby rabbit that was just born. And that's how little baby rabbits get treated. Do you think that, Daddy? Oh, I, I think she, I think she will put my tooth up in the sky because it is just a shiny tooth, and that's how stars get made.
Do you think that, baby? Really? I think she says a magic spell and she turns the tooth into a penny. I know, guys. Do you think that, Daddy?
I think that is the bedtime.
Okay, but will you please remind Mommy about my believing in the tooth fairy in case she forgets?
I could.
Said Father Rabbit.
My tooth is in an envelope under my pillow.
That's good.
Said Father Rabbit.
I have a window in my mouth.
Window or no window?
Said Father Rabbit.
Ooh.
It is time for bed.
He gave her a good night kiss.
Good night.
Little Rabbit.
Good night, Daddy.